Good morning, everybody. By golly, if it isn't raining today. We've had quite the drought. I got to ride this morning, got home, it was starting to rain. I had to get back into the headlight because I'm going to do some small things, and I forgot to film what I did. Of course, I don't have no pedestal or anything to hold the camera, phone. But here's what I did. Put my reading glasses on, and just like in the schematic, left to right, those are the points of attachment, like low beam, high beam, and all across there. That's that board I showed the other day that I made. The one there you can see. I lost one of the screws. I got more of the screws, but that one's not used. So just like here, one is I think for the turn signal, and then two is for the other turn signal, so the wires are coming from the back. And they do have offshoots that go to the dash, high beam or turn signals, so forth. So that's just how I did it there. So it's just like 1 and 2 is now 1 and 2, and then I went next, which would be your high and low beam. No, I didn't tie that in, because they were just running from a hot switch via the switch, or hot to the switch. Those two I didn't do. I did number 9. 10 is nothing. It's like for a tail lamp. Now, maybe they expected something in the future to run off of that. But that's from the tail lamp. Nothing on 11. 4 is a lot of orange, so that's all 12 volt positive going up to the signal flasher and so forth. And then 5 was for start switch. That would have been the black wire that came from the would have come from the neutral switch. So the neutral switch just gets powered off the back board that's underneath the coil. And so let's see, that one. And then the next one, so it no longer has to be in neutral to actually start it. And then 6, that's I think the power for the start switch. Other than getting real specific, that's why I went ahead and put that on there. So that's what I used. I used that there rather than, like I say, it was like $3 for that piece. But still the high beam is still, when you put it on low, as the low beam, switch it to high, turns on both filaments. So the switch could be bad, or it's a design like that. I don't think it is. So, well, that's how it turned out. Made the bracket and all. The horns in there, I may move it because it still makes a lot of noise. It's either inside here when you're riding and going up and down, or could be in there. That's my next thing to do, is make the front brakes work better. Not just like a suggestion. I'd like them to actually stop without doing anything, changing anything. So that's what I've been doing there. Like I said, I may take that out. And I've got another smaller horn I put in here, and I might put the horn over there like later on they were put over there. So just thought I'd stop by and say hello and point out what I've been doing. And catch you guys later. Have a great weekend. It is raining here, but we needed it. See all you guys later. Bye-bye.